Okay, this is a more compact version of the vending machines I have created. As you can see, it doesn't even go back very far. It's very straightforward. And so, first off, I'm going to be dispensing some iron. Hold on, let me make 5 slots free in my inventory. Okay, so I'm going to be making some iron first. There it is. And then we're going to get some lapis lazuli. There that is. Takes a while, but it's a lot faster than the other one. It's more compact. Here's the gold. Diamond. Diamond. And some cake. Yeah, I'm going to be using these because these are the ones I can remember more easily than other things. Okay. So, now how it works is I'm ready to put some torches in here. Okay, so when you press the button, this turns off, turn that on, and it goes up here, and then the signal travels up here to this, which this is under a dispenser, and the dispenser falls and hits the water over here and travels down, and then that's where you get it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a compact version of my system. Let's see if I can get up there. No, I can't. Okay. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. And see you later with maybe another Minecraft video.